Want to go over an elimination problem where the coefficients aren't already the same. So notice they are already both in standard form. So the x's line up, the y's line up, the equal signs line up, and the numbers line up. So we're already set to go, except that if I add or subtract these, neither one will be eliminated. The x's won't be eliminated and the y's won't be eliminated. So when this happens, what we have to do is multiply the equations by something first so that we can add them together and then something or subtract them and they will go away. So what I'm going to do is first decide what do I want to go away. Do I want the x's to eliminate or the y's to eliminate? So let's just say that I'm going to try and eliminate the x's. Okay, so if I'm going to eliminate the x's, I need these coefficients to be the same or the same with opposite signs. So what I'm going to do is take these coefficients and essentially flip them. So this one is going to come down here, and this one's going to come up here. And I know this looks really weird right now, but I call this kind of the arrow over method because I'm going to rewrite both of these. Notice the arrow, this 3 comes down here. So on this arrow, I'm going to put a 3 in parentheses. And this 5 comes up here. So on this parentheses, I'm going to put a 5. And the reason I do this is because I'm going to multiply this whole top equation by 5. Okay, so as I move everything over past this arrow, every single thing will get multiplied by 5. If I multiply this side of the equation by 5, I have to multiply those two things. It's like distribution. And if I multiply this side of the equation by 5, it also gets multiplied by 5. So we multiply it by 5, we get 15. We take the 3y, positive 3y times 5. We get again positive 15, this time y, equals, and then 9 times 5 is 45. Okay, so that's the first one. So I took that 5, that's where it came from, is because I'm going to eliminate the x's. So I took the numbers in front of the x's and I crisscrossed them. So now watch what happens. I'm going to do the same thing, but with the bottom equation. So 5x times 3 is, wouldn't you know it, 15x. 4y, positive 4y times 3 is positive 12y equals, and then 10 times 3 is 30. So now I have my system of equations, and notice the number is the same in front of the x's, which is what I plan to eliminate. So now what we're going to do is subtract them, because if I add 15x and 15x, I'm going to get 30x. And remember, the whole point is to eliminate. So sometimes you'll add and sometimes you'll subtract. So I'm going to subtract this, which remember this sign goes with it, but since it's positive, that's not bad. So again, I like to put a minus everywhere or an addition sign everywhere so I remember what I'm saying. So 15x minus 15x, well, that's 0. Then I have 15y minus 12y, and that is 3y, positive 3y, equals, and then 45 minus 30 is 15. Okay? Now remember, since this is with something else, this is nothing. I don't need to write that. You don't need to bring around that 0x because it means there's nothing there. 3y plus 0 is just 3y. So now we just have 3y equals 15. You don't have to write the plus sign. Then, again, to solve for y, finally, I will divide both sides by 3, and that's y equals 5. So that's what the y value is. But as you know, you also need to find the x value. So again, you pick either of the original equations. It doesn't matter which one. And lucky me, everything's positive. I'm just going to bring this top one over here. And again, I know that you want to skip steps, but just try writing it all out, please. And so I have this. And what I'm going to do is take this y here and plug it in. Let me grab actually a highlighter. I'm going to take this 5. And maybe you can't even see the highlighting, so it doesn't even matter. And put it in for y right there. Okay, so I'm replacing it because they're equal, also known as substitution. So x plus 3 parentheses 5 means multiply 9. So I have 3x plus 15 equals 9. Now I'm down to a normal two-step equation. So the first thing I do all I have is 3x equals -6. And then the last step is to divide by the coefficient, which is 3, and x equals -2. So now I have my x and my y value. To give the solution, I take it and I put it in x always goes first, y goes second. There's my coordinate point. Now, if you want to check it, what you do is you plug them back into the originals and make sure it's the same. So for the first one, we have 3 times -2, because that's our x value, plus 3 times 5, because that's our y value. And when I hit enter, I should get 9. And look at that, I did. So that's good. Now let's try the second equation. 5 times -2, because that's my x value, plus 4 times 5, because that's my y value. And when I hit enter, I should get 10. And there you go. So we have used elimination, but first we had to multiply, and we do that by deciding what we want to eliminate and switching the coefficients. So we multiply, add or subtract to eliminate, solve, plug in, solve. All right, I hope that helps.